The OVENTE Bagless Canister Vacuum Cleaner ST2620B is a versatile and compact cleaning machine designed to offer convenience, efficiency, and power. With a 1400-watt motor, this vacuum is built to handle both carpets and hard floors with ease. It's lightweight, making it simple to move from room to room, and it comes with a range of features that make it stand out. The automatic cord rewind and translucent dust cup are particularly handy, ensuring that you don't have to waste time untangling or guessing when it's time to empty the vacuum. It's clear that OVENTE has put a lot of thought into making the cleaning experience smoother and more efficient. When it comes to suction power, the OVENTE vacuum shines. Its 1400-watt motor provides strong suction across a variety of surfaces, with adjustable power settings that give you full control. Whether you're tackling fine dust on hard floors or embedded dirt in carpets, you can dial in the exact level of suction you need. This makes it a flexible choice for homes with multiple types of flooring or different cleaning needs. And while we're on the topic of cleaning power, the high-efficiency particulate air HEPA filtration system deserves a mention. Capturing 99.9% of airborne particles as small as 0.3 micrometers, this vacuum is an excellent option for allergy sufferers or anyone looking to improve their indoor air quality. It traps everything from pet dander to dust mites, keeping the air in your home cleaner and healthier. One of the most notable features is the large 3L dust cup, which is bagless and translucent. This means you can easily monitor the fill level and empty it when needed, avoiding those unpleasant surprises mid-cleaning. The canister design is also more compact than many uprights, and combined with its lightweight nature, it makes for easy storage and portability. The telescoping wand extends to give you extra reach for cleaning high or hard-to-reach areas, and the various included attachments, such as the crevice tool, pet brush, and multi-angle brush, make it a highly versatile vacuum for multiple cleaning tasks. Whether you need to clean stairs, upholstery, or car interiors, this vacuum has you covered. Real-world usage with the OVENTE vacuum is straightforward and hassle-free. Setup is minimal. Simply attach the telescoping wand and your preferred tool and you're good to go. I tested it on multiple surfaces and it didn't disappoint. The suction is powerful enough to grab dirt from thick carpets without needing multiple passes, and it has no problem picking up dust or crumbs on hard floors. One of the highlights is the ease of maneuvering. The 16-foot power cord offers a good range, and the retractable feature is a huge time saver, especially when it comes to tidying up after cleaning. The vacuum doesn't feel too bulky, so you can navigate around furniture without much effort. However, while it's light in weight, it can feel a bit top-heavy during extended cleaning sessions, which may cause some users to adjust their grip for comfort. In terms of attachments, I found the pet brush particularly effective. It quickly picked up fur from furniture without pushing it around, and the crevice tool worked wonders in tight spaces. The multi-angle brush also helped reach areas like the edges of the floor or baseboards that are often neglected with regular vacuums. The bristle brush is excellent for upholstery, and combined with the versatile hose, it gave me the freedom to clean not just floors, but the entire living space. However, the vacuum isn't as quiet as some high-end models, so if you're sensitive to noise, this could be a point to consider. Looking at the pros and cons, the OVENTE vacuum offers solid suction power, great filtration, and plenty of attachments to handle all your cleaning needs. The adjustable suction power gives you versatility across different cleaning tasks, and the lightweight, portable design makes it easy to use and store. The automatic cord rewind and translucent dust cup are thoughtful touches that streamline the cleaning process. That said, the vacuum can feel a little unbalanced at times, especially during longer cleaning sessions. Additionally, while the attachments are great, I did find that the hose could be a bit short for larger spaces or more extensive cleaning tasks. It's also worth mentioning that the filtration system does a good job for those with allergies, but it's not quite as powerful as some of the more advanced HEPA systems found in higher-end models. When it comes to value for money, this vacuum offers a strong performance for its price point. You're getting a solid canister vacuum with decent suction, a good filtration system, and useful attachments for a range of cleaning tasks. It's not going to compete with the high-end models in terms of quietness or advanced features like smart technology, but for the average homeowner, it provides everything you need to keep your home clean without breaking the bank. Comparatively, similar models like the OVENTE Bagless Canister vacuum offer similar suction and usability, but the OVENTE stands out with its adjustable suction and ease of use in tight spaces. On the other hand, models from brands like Dyson offer superior filtration and performance, but they often come with a much higher price tag. In terms of build quality, the OVENTE vacuum feels solid, though it uses lighter materials to keep the weight down. The dust cup is sturdy, and the telescoping wand works smoothly, extending and retracting without any hitches. The maintenance is relatively simple. Empty the dust cup regularly, clean the filter, and check the brush roll for tangled hair. The vacuum is built to last, but as with any bagless vacuum, there's the potential for wear over time, especially with frequent use of the filtration system. Thankfully, OVENTE offers a 1-year warranty for peace of mind. In conclusion, the OVENTE Bagless Canister Vacuum Cleaner ST2620B is a solid, budget-friendly option for anyone looking for reliable suction power, effective filtration, and the convenience of a bagless design. It's ideal for homes with a mix of hard floors and carpets, and can handle pet hair with ease. While it might not have all the bells and whistles of premium models, it offers excellent value for the price. It's best suited for those who want a straightforward, no-fuss vacuum that gets the job done without spending a fortune. If you're looking for a high-performing yet affordable vacuum, the OVENTE ST2620B is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you want to stay updated on our latest reviews. We're always here to help you find the best products for your home. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time on Reviewsinside TV, where we clean up the competition.